Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Hope you guys are having a great day. Wanted to bring you out to the water to show you this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer. Start up here in the best seat in the house, up in the bow. So this is definitely one of my favorite features about this boat because it changes it for not only a cabin cruiser, but also a day cruiser. We can come out here on the bow, get some fresh air, but also have a really, really great place to lounge out at. So when you're sitting up here, you have some great amenities like flip down armrests. You're going to even have adjustable headrest as well. So the comfort up here is absolutely amazing. Then if you notice, you got a beautiful walk-through area here where you're going to be able to access your windlass anchor. And then you'll even notice your spotlight off to the port side there. Just a really, really awesome item to have as you're coming into the dock at nighttime. Then as we walk through this port side walkthrough, do note that it's easy to get on the bow and it's safe to get out on the bow. Now we're going to jump down into our cabin. So we got our little sliding door here with the prop stuck up, so that way it doesn't shut on us. And now welcome to the cabin of the 320 Sundancer. Again, a great place to hang out at, you know, on a hot day like today, where you're going to have the AC running. It's going to be super comfortable down here. Got great seating in the V berth as you have a TV. Super comfortable cushions placed all the way around, and even having an optional table underneath this cushion that you can actually put a second table leg on and make this a very inviting area for playing cards, hanging out, really doing anything. Then we also do have a stand-up head, and this is a wet head in this boat. So you have a beautiful sink area, great storage, a vacuum flush toilet, and then even the ability to take that wand, put it up here, and actually have a shower compartment over here. So really, really awesome layout on this boat. Then as we go back, do note that we have a great little sleeper back here where you can fold this out to a full bed, or you can swing this out to just a twin bed and have two different sleeping areas. So pretty easy spot over here. Got vents that all of your AC is going to flow into, so that way it's a nice comfortable area back here. Got great power receptacles to charge up devices, ability to turn on and off lights here as well, so that way you don't have to get up from your slumber to turn everything off. So let's go ahead and go up topside, and we'll go from there. Of course, we do also have our refrigerator and microwave, so nice little galley area. All right, now where all the fun is at. So up here at the helm, this is truly a unique experience on the 320 Sundancer. So not only do we have twin Simrad screens that's going to show us where we're at on the lake, it's going to show us what's going on with the engines, and actually is giving us a message that's saying, talking about our skyhook. So we have our skyhook button engaged on our joystick, and that's why we're able to take this video without even worrying about where the boat's going to be at. It keeps you exactly where you need to in your GPS location, so that way you have nothing to worry about. Just make sure there's no people in the water behind the boat, because the engines are still shifting in and out of gear. Then we also have great entertainment piece on this boat with having a Fusion audio stereo system flush mounted into the dash. Makes it super easy to operate your audio as it's all touchscreen. And you can raise and lower volume, change songs, do everything you need to from right here. Then aside from that, this does also have the trim tabs on board, so that way you can fine tune the list if you happen to get a lot more people that are off to one side of the boat. Then moving back here, more underneath our shade here, this is also one of my favorite options too, because again, changing it from just that strict cabin cruiser over to having a day boat. Open this up, have a beautiful sunroof that is now going to let in all of the light. So for those overcasted days or those days where you need a little more sun, just open this guy up and it will actually lock into position back here. So super easy to use and very, very easy to close back up. And just like that, you are already back to air conditioning mode. Talking about air conditioning, we got some great vents. So one great vent over here, so that way you can stay cool whether you're walking through. Got another awesome vent over here. Also have your controls for that AC. So whether you're running heat or AC, you can control all of that from right here on the top side. Then going back to a little bit more of Sea Ray's signature seating style, I love how they have this U-shaped seating like they do on their SLX models. Gives you a ton of room, but with this little filler cushion gives you even more lounging space than you thought you had before. So great inviting place back here as well. Then, of course, where the party's at, when you're going to be enjoying your time on the water, kind of have a grill on board where you can cook some different skewers and steaks. Also do have a really nice, easy access sink. And then even have power receptacles if you want to, run a coffee maker out here or anything like that as well. Then coming along to the stern, again, another really awesome area back here. Got some great cushions, awesome storage, but the ability to actually take this entire back piece, open it up, and now we have a full lounger back here. Whether you want to do that opened up to the sun or open up your sure shade, as you can see right now, is starting to pan out. And it's going to give us that shade covering we need for a really, really hot summer day. Then, last but not least, for those guys that are going to be spending a lot of time at the dock, got a great hatch over here that's going to give you access to all of your shore power connections, even your fresh water connections, and all of your battery switches. Great spot to have all this as you are exiting the boat. It's very easy to go ahead and get all those systems in order. But anyways, guys, if you'd like to come out on the water and enjoy this absolutely beautiful boat with us, please just let us know. Let us know if you'd like to take a demo on it, and we'd love to take you out to the water. Thank you guys for watching.